In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a histogram in Microsoft Excel, a fantastic tool for visually presenting data distributions that can really help in understanding your data better. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful feature. First off, let's talk about what a histogram actually is. Microsoft Excel provides a variety of options for visualizing data, from pie charts to line graphs and beyond. Today, we'll be focusing on the histogram, which is ideal when you want to display frequency distributions of your data. It's particularly useful for showing how often certain values occur in a dataset, making it easy to identify patterns or trends at a glance. Now let's move on to the step-by-step process of creating your histogram in Excel. To get started, you'll want to begin by selecting the data you're interested in. For this example, let's say we're looking at age distribution. You'll highlight the column that contains the age values. Let's say it's column C. This is your data set and the key to creating your histogram. Next, take a look at the top of your Excel window and find the Insert tab on the ribbon. Once you click there, you'll see various options for charts. We're interested in the Insert Statistic Chart option. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Histogram. Just like that, Excel will insert the histogram directly into your spreadsheet, visually representing the distribution of your selected data. With your histogram now in place, let's explore some easy customization options to make it your own. If you want to move the chart around, simply click on the empty area of the chart and drag it to wherever you prefer it to be on your sheet. It's really all about convenience and what works best for you. If you're looking to adjust the size of the chart, click on any of the corner handles, the little circles at each corner, and drag them to resize the chart, making it as large or small as necessary. This is handy if you want the histogram to fit a particular space in your spreadsheet or to emphasize the data it's presenting. You might want to edit the chart title to better reflect your data. To do this, just double-click on the default title that says Chart Title and type in a custom title that suits your needs, ensuring it's descriptive and relevant. Here's a pro tip. The more you experiment with Excel charts, the more confident you'll become. Feel free to play around with settings like bin size or color styles to make your chart even more compelling and informative. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Excel exploring.